I got it. The Mini 5 Pro. Now, I did say a while back, didn't I? But anyway, going back to why I hate this drone at the moment. So, we've been a bit fooled, haven't we? Now, I don't think we was told by DJI. We was told by all those other YouTube video makers saying what it could be. And that's saying that this is a mini drone, which it is, but it's not a 249 gram mini drone. And if you notice on the box, hasn't got it on there, hasn't even got it on the batteries where it did on the Mini 4 Pro. So that was a bit annoying. And I weighed it yesterday and mine coming at 254 grams. Some people said that theirs was 249. I don't know, I find that hard to believe. Now, there's a video that I watched the other day, I'll put out his name there. And what he does with any new drone, he completely strips the drone down. And what he found in there was a little speaker. I think it's the same size speaker that's in the Flip. So that could have knocked the weight down a bit. But that must mean DJI have got something coming. AI drone, speaking drone, well, I don't know. But yeah, a little bit disappointed about the weight. But no big deal for me, but maybe for other people it is. But looks like next year, rules are changing now, all about the rules and regulations from these people. Looks like UK is changing their laws next year. Possible the US, and no doubt EU will follow after. So we'll have to see about that. But what another thing is, obviously, I'll just show there. There's the mark. I'm only restricted here in EU to 400 foot, so another bit of a pain really. But hey, something else. Apparently the Mini 3 Pro, not too sure about the Mini 3, but also the Mini 4 Pro, the batteries will fit in here. But what's interesting, as soon as you turn the drone on, it comes up at the top, and also it takes you over the limit. But it's already over the limit. But anyway, that's another issue. But the main reason, just one more thing. You're not going to like the ND filters, guys. Now, I got, obviously, the combi pack. You get the ND filters sent with you. You only get 3, but that's fine. But you're not going to love how you go on. Because you got to clip it on. And it's not easy, I must say. I'm not going to try at the moment. But I will be making a video soon, obviously, for the people that like using ND filters. But yeah, it's not easy. But the biggest problem, if you watched one of my videos I've done it well over 6 months ago, I said that the Mini 5 Pro would never happen. And I was so, yeah, it's never going to happen. And I said, if it did, I'll eat me out. Which a lot of people seem to be waiting for. This is my best hat. Anyway, I did say, yeah, I'll eat my hat. So, it's a little bit difficult, guys, because this hat is quite big. And I love this hat, because it keeps the sun off me. But anyway, I'm gonna have a go, because I've got to keep to my word, haven't I? I said I eat my hat. So, here we go. God, it's a bit too big. So I thought, no, I've got to do it. I've got to do it. So, what I'm going to do, I'll have to cut it up like a pizza. So, as you can see, I've cut up my hat, because there's no way I'm going to fit that in my mouth. So, here we go. Oof. Okay. It's one bit. Right. No. I'll tell you what. this ain't very nice. I'm not going to swear, but that's bring water to my eyes, that it did, guys. But not always lost. That was my favourite hat. But I done it. I did say, Mini 5 Pro, eat me hat. Oh, that was very nice. But I got a surprise for you. I got a new hat. And I think it's a better hat because it's got air vents in it. So, yeah, the Mini 5 Pro. So we get on with the video with the Mini 5 Pro. Joking aside, I still love this drone, really. I mean, I don't really hate it. It did shock me a little bit about the 249 thing. And I'm a bit baffled by why it takes so long to load up. And on the screen, as Gavin pointed out, the flashing thing at the top there is annoying. And I was surprised that they didn't bring out a new controller. And a lot of people I've seen so far have been complaining, why can't we have the option of buying this separately? Because I've got an RCN3 controller. I've got another one now. I didn't want to buy another one of these because I don't really like it. But I was expecting maybe they would have brought out a new controller, but they didn't. So, other than that, personally, if it's your first time buying a DJI drone, I wouldn't recommend it, guys. Only because of this weight issue. But other than that, because it costs a lot of money, there's no point in saying it didn't. It's a lot of money. And I think for a first time flying, you've got this weight thing issue. But for a veteran like me, yeah, too right, I pressed that button as soon as it was launched. I didn't even watch those videos because I don't know what it is. But I don't know if it's the same with you guys. I find now the guys that get the drones given to them, they just don't pick out. There's some faults with it. Obviously, after it all come to light, yeah, they're all saying then. But at the beginning of the launch, it's an amazing drone, and it is an amazing drone. So I just thought I'd put up this video. I know I'm going to get some people saying, "Oh, Sean, it's clickbait." Well, I had to eat my hat, and I'll tell you what, I love that hat. That hat was my best hat, but now I've got a different hat. I've had to say goodbye to that hat. And I can safely say, within a couple of months, it'll be the Mini 6 Pro drone. And I can safely say, I ain't going to say nothing about it. I'm going to say, oh, okay, maybe in a couple of years. But that does so annoy me with these new tech videos saying about, the Mini 6 will be coming soon. But I'm not going to say anything about eating me out. That's way out now. Anyway, bit of fun. Hope you enjoyed it. As you can safely say, there's going to be another video coming very sooner.